Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is the first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare delicious vegetable soup. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious vegetable soup, continue watching as I share with you guys. Here are the ingredients. Here I have shredded ugu leaves, shredded water leaves, then deboned smoked fish, palm oil, ground crayfish. Vegetable soup needs enough ground crayfish, so make sure you add enough crayfish, and as well as oil. So here is cow meat, well washed. This is flesh, stockfish flesh, not the head. And here I have my well washed momo cut into chunks, so it depends on how you want yours. Here I have pepper, fresh pepper, onion, seasoning cube, and salt. So here are basically the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this delicious vegetable soup. So like I said, I've washed the meat and I've put it in a pot, and I've added the sliced onions, and I washed the flesh and I've added it, like I said, the stockfish flesh. I'm adding seasoning cube, salt, and I'm adding water. And I'll cover to cook for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I added the pomo. So the pomo is already soft. Then I added the smoked fish, and I added more water, and I'll be cooking for another 15 minutes. I've added the coarsely blended pepper, and I'll cover to leave for 5 minutes. So take it easy while stirring the whole thing. So I've set that aside, and I've heated up the oil a little, and I've added onions. So I'll be frying it for like 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm using the frying method to prepare this delicious soup, and I've added the ground crayfish, and I'll be stirring as well. I've added the water leaves, stir, cover and leave for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is it. So I'm adding the fish and the meat into the water leaf. And I'll give it a stir so you guys can see. I'm adding seasoning cube, salt, cover and leave for 5 minutes. So as you guys can see, I've added the ugu leaves. So I'll cover and leave for 3 minutes, and this is it. After 3 minutes, like, it's ready. Our soup is almost ready. Guys, you're going to love the soup. Isn't this yummy? Guys, isn't this yummy? Our vegetable soup is ready. Which swallow would you love enjoying this soup with? I love this soup personally so much. Wow, guys, hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.